Hi guys, this is Tracy Lee at tracyleecoaching.com. Welcome to my video, and I'm glad you're here tonight. Please hit the likes, shares, comments, and subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification bell when I go live. Tonight, my topic is about Pixteller tools, tools that you use in your business, but specifically tonight it's about Pixteller. I'm really excited about this tool app that my coaches and mentors showed us. I actually made my first thumbnail tonight. I mean, I'm happy. I've never done it before. I made a pretty nice one. It's pretty excellent. I just want to let you know that having these tools for your business is very, very important. I've been using these free tools. I try not to pay for tools if I can. Anything that can cut down on the overhead in your business is a plus. Pixteller is one of them. I've been using it since I started in the business with my coaches and mentors, using what they give us and learning from it. You can benefit the most by Pixteller by just going out and just creating stuff and learning by default. Learning, if you make mistakes, you can go back, you can edit, you can do things like that. There's a lot of good business tools out there for different categories, different specific categories, but Pixteller is one that I really like. I like Canva, but Canva is kind of like robot-y. It's kind of like not really user friendly. It's not as user friendly as Pixteller. Pixteller is really, really easy if you really put your mind to it and get it down pat. But yeah, it's been a really awesome day for me. I've got a bad toothache today, so I'm kind of out of it, if you can imagine that. But I'm still here doing my live tonight because I wanted to be here with you to share my content with you guys about using tool apps for your business. Pixteller is really great because you can go in, you can customize, you can edit, you can move stuff around, take stuff out. I really like the tool that you can remove background. That's a really good one. You can remove your background to create your thumbnails so you don't have anything behind you. No lights or no walls or anything like that. It's just you going, yeah, that's me. I really like the way Ace Guzman did that. She really showed some really good stuff there. I had to go back and watch the video again, but I think I've picked it up. So all I need to do now is practice, and practice always makes perfect. But moving on, the thing I like about Pixteller the most is that you can pick a lot of free pictures. Photographs of that are don't require any license or anything like that, or any fees to any artist that took the pictures. You can pick your own pictures, and you can use them and edit them the way you want to, the way you want to customize them. I used quite a few for like posts for like success quotes and stuff like that. Sorry. Yes, it's really, really, really wonderful thing to have resources like that at your hands. And if you just use them and really pick them up and use them, it's really a great thing. I'm pretty happy about being able to create thumbnails. Now I know how to do it. Know how to put the little white line around my body, so up around my head and stuff. That was pretty nice too. So I'm just getting in here to shoot a short one tonight. Not feeling well. Please subscribe to the channel. I wish everybody a good night. I got to get some rest. I got to go to the dentist in the morning. So, but yeah, Pixteller, that's what you want to get. If you have a chance to download it or get it on your computer and start making your thumbnails for your videos. Use any kind of free resources you can for your business, and that way it'll get you up and running quicker. But my name is Tracy Lee, tracyleecoaching.com. We'll catch you on the next video. Have a good night.